Report. Bro, how can you just fart like that, bro?
That wasn't me.
Bro, don't wipe yourself.
That was that me.
People trying to challenge you, bro.
Alright, let me see your haircut real quick. Show a little.
Let me see.
Hey, I ain't got no haircut. I ain't got no type of haircut. Check my hair out real quick.
Bro, we're fucking sick.
So I got hair hanging out the side right here. Take my head off. Leaves an indent, some slight. I'm letting it grow out. Luis says I should get a haircut, but
Yeah, bro, get fade or something.
get a fade.
At least if you're gonna grow out the top, aren't you?
Well, everything. I want to let it all grow out.
Are you gonna grow out everything?
Yeah, my back started curling a bit, but it just gets annoying. Like, it gets annoying. Hey, what is this for right here? These two are for the O2 sensors, right?
Yeah.
Those two open spots. I give props to Luis, bro, because he knows how to edit the best. I'm learning the basics, trying to at least. And this kid doesn't do anything ever. He see on his phone always. Doing what? Doing what? Texting all his hoes.
I have. Take out a picture.
All right, what's up? Show me something real quick. This is my cousin Gabriel. I don't know if anybody. That's my cousin Danny and my little brother.
Just follow. We got the install all set up on this Toyota Camry 2006.
Toyota Camry?
Yeah, install this like as a new heater system for the car.
Yeah.
I mean, I think we should put it just like, follow me?
Yeah, I got you.
Just put it like right in there, just like keep them warm and shit.
Yeah, I feel you.
As a new like storage install, like this box.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, like we could put like a phone in there.
Yeah.
I don't know, just something slight. You could take off that trunk and like that big ass wing, cause like it's more weight. Like
Yeah.
you just throw this back, like on the back, like there.
Yeah.
Got a third passenger and it's lighter.
But that's a table. Like multiple people could sit there.
I just have a quick question.
Where's the bag?
Is this the aux?
Did you say
That's the.
Okay.
Yeah, we had to. Because we're like, dude, what are you doing?
Your whole face can fit in there, bro.
Look at that.
Oh my god, bro. Hey, Carlos, what was this?
Where's the percolator?
The percolator, bro.
I have to crop so much of Johnny's videos when I. He has like this long gap of like awkward like silence.
I just did that right now, bro. I just did that. We just sat here for like a good 20-30 seconds, bro.
Like he'll record like a minute video. Out of that minute video, I'll get like 10 good seconds out of it.
No way. All right, so right now I have like a 6-minute video going on.
I'll get like 20 seconds.
No way.
Just the line. Put some oil in this car.
Start it up? No, I'm playing.
Connect the sensors.
O2
You think we can
sensors.
start it up? We can start it up, right? Just not.
No, bro.
Yes.
No, bro, with no oil?
No, wait.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say.
With no oil.
I was like, yeah, that's what I thought,
Put
bro.
oil in it. You think
Yeah.
we can start it
Yeah,
up?
we could start it up with oil, but
Yeah, but you just
it's
can't
gonna.
drive it.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you have to drive it regardless to get it too.
Yeah, well that's.
Yeah, but that's when everything's done, though.
Oh yeah. Maybe you should like drain the oil and then start it. But like when we put oil in it, drain it and then start it. Just so we can make sure
Drain
that.
it again.
I guess, bro. Why are we friends with this guy?
I don't know why you invited him.
What are you're holding a flashlight. I'm holding a camera. I can't say none. This thing looks so sexy. Just...
All right, y'all.
Hey, what's going on? We're here today in my new car that I
Bro.
just
Just start the car. Just start the car.
Wait, we gotta tell them about this.
Start the car. That was a cold start for the WRX. Now that has a Cobb catted downpipe with a muffler delete.
What up, boys?
Where'd you? I'll see you Tuesday probably. Okay.
We out here.
Day 3.
All right, so Luis, we tested out the turbo here today. he put the compressor, the air compressor gun, up to the turbo, and
Just build yourself. Build yourself. I want to give a huge shout out to Danny Pice, George Arroyo, Michael Campabasso, not Raul, he little scrawny long neck ass, and that's it. That's all I can do. Just shout out to.
But yeah, that's it for today. Again. We ended it twice. Hey, you guys want to see something cool, like with the folding tripod right here in the mirror, bro? Check it out, so you can look at me this way.
That's the proper
and then this time you're gonna flip around and just look at Carlos. Take care, brother.
Peace out, guys.
Peace. Peace out, Mark.
Peace out.
Thank you for swinging by.
Peace out, bro.
Peace out, bro. Subi, bro.
Hey, Friday, I'm all yours.
All right, bet. Hey, that's when the parts get here for Luis.
And my intake here too.
Oh, and your intake. Wait, you forgot an intake?
Yeah.